Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Lyft is a transportation network company (TNC) that operates as a ride-sharing platform. It was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Lyft provides a smartphone app that allows users to request rides from nearby drivers who use their own vehicles. It's similar to other popular ride-sharing services like Uber. Lyft's platform connects passengers in need of transportation with drivers willing to provide rides. Passengers can use the Lyft app to request a ride, and the app matches them with a nearby Lyft driver. The driver picks up the passenger and takes them to their destination, and the payment is processed through the app, making the experience convenient and cashless. To make money as a driver on the Lyft platform, you'll need to follow these general steps. 1. Complete the application down the Lyft Driver app from your smartphone's app store. Create an account and complete the application process, which includes providing necessary personal and vehicle information. To vehicle inspection. Depending on your location, you may need to schedule a vehicle inspection. This is to ensure that your car meets Lyft safety and quality standards. 3. Background check. Lyft will conduct a background check, which typically includes looking at your driving history and criminal record. Drivers with certain violations or convictions may be ineligible. 4. Insurance. Ensure you have the necessary auto insurance that meets Lyft's requirements. Some personal insurance policies may not cover ride-sharing, so make sure to check with your insurance provider or consider getting a rideshare specific policy. 5. Wait for approval. Lyft will review your application, conduct background checks, and verify your documents. Once approved, you'll be ready to start driving. 6. Download the Driver app. Download the Lyft Driver app on your smartphone. This app will allow you to accept ride requests, navigate to passengers, and track earnings. 7. Set your availability typos when you want to drive. You have the flexibility to work whenever it fits your schedule. 8. Start driving when you're ready to start. Log into the app and indicate that you're ready to accept rides. You'll receive ride requests from passengers in your area. 9. Get paid. Lyft pays drivers weekly via direct deposit. You can set up your banking information in the app.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.